Introduction to budget challenges and their benefits. Overview of the 3 budget challenges: $50 weekly budget, no spend month, and minimalist budget experiment. Strategies for living on $50 a week: meal planning, smart grocery shopping, and creative cooking. Tips for maximizing value and stretching the $50 budget. The No Spend Month Challenge: rules and guidelines. Alternatives to spending: DIY projects, borrowing items, and free activities. Minimalist budget experiment: living with only essentials. Cutting unnecessary expenses and distinguishing needs from wants. Bartering and swapping as a cost-effective alternative. Mindset shifts and personal growth through budget challenges. Reflecting on spending habits and developing financial mindfulness. Closing thoughts and encouragement to try budget challenges. Visit our website to learn more about budget challenges and start your journey towards financial freedom.